or 3 inches of snow by tomorrow.
All right. Thank you, Belle.
Thank you, Bill. Some of the Twin Cities' best chefs are giving back by giving an education in good food. This was the first night of the Chef's Night Out series inside the Midtown Global Market in Minneapolis. It's a cooking class that raises money for Minneapolis Public Schools, culinary and nutrition services. The chefs teach the students some of their signature dishes, plus they make a twist on traditional cafeteria foods such as fish and chips. Next in sports, the latest